we gonna get into the movie without tickets?
We could just sneak in.
No. We are not sneaking in. We are law-abiding wildlife.
Don't worry. Today's my best day ever. We'll find a way in. Anthony!
Hiya, gang! This is my buddy, Georgina Valentino.
My friends call me Gina.
Gina!
We go way back. We met 20 minutes ago outside Dee Dee's Donuts.
So you got your donuts.
That's the negative. Not a single human dropped their donut. Not even a crumb.
They even licked the napkins clean.
I'm sorry, Anthony. I feel bad that things aren't going your way when I'm having my best day ever.
Not to worry, Stretch. We're gonna head to the Dee Dee's downtown, try our luck there. Come on, Gina, let's flap!
Next.
Looks like we're next.
What does he think? He's gonna just walk up there and they'll just hand him a bunch of free tickets?
Congratulations. As our 100th customer, you have won 4 free tickets to Good Luck Truck. Enjoy the show.
Leapin' Lions, Melman! Your best day just keeps getting bester.
The only thing that can make this best day even better is if I had a box of yummy sour candy whales.
Oh, nuts. I made a mistake. I delivered 500 boxes of sour candy whales when they only asked for 50. Oh, well, I'll just leave all these extra boxes here in case anyone wants them.
Whoa! Yes! Everything's coming up, Melman.
I can't decide if this is super weird or very cool.
Can't it be both?
Yeah! Woohoo! Yes!
He's got a tank full of gas and nowhere to go. He's the Good Luck Truck.
I'm here to save the day.
Best day ever, best day ever. My best day ever, best day ever, best day ever, my best day.
Huh? That hairspray smells worse than a pack of smelling skunks.
Do you mind? I'm watching my new favorite movie here.
People are starting to stare. Should I distract them by tap dancing?
No! Melanie, hold your nose.
There goes the popcorn.
Shh. Come on, gotta move seats.
Okay, we're back, baby.
Hey, kid, didn't anyone ever tell you to stay in your lane?
Oh no! Is that pepper?
Who brings their own seasoning?
Shh! Keep it down back there. We're trying to watch the movie.
Yeah! Keep it down!
Let's hit it.
Melman's nose should be safe back here.
You'll never drive me out, 'cause I'm here to save the day.